I'm so glad you asked, because the answer is a big yes. These elixir blends that we make, our cacao elixirs, our matcha, our chai, our caramel, have a serious dose of herbs. So many other companies, I can think of one specifically, I will not mention by name, who's one of the most direct competitors to this style of product. In their products, they'll have between 500 and some of the highest you'll see is 1,500 milligrams of herbal extracts per serving. And so I was always surprised to see that dosage level. Ours, what I consider to be an appropriate dosage and something that's going to be meaningful and create a meaningful experience for you as the user, our elixir blends have between 3,250 and in the cacao one, which has a bit more, is 3,500 milligrams of herbs. So we're talking between like 2 to 6 times the levels that you'll get in most other products out there. So we don't mess around when it comes to this kind of stuff. And as I said, I want to create an amazing experience for you. I know that I can tell you an amazing story about how it's supposed to feel. I can hype you up on how delicious it is. But if you get it, you buy it just one time and you try it and it's no good, that's not a good experience for you, and it's not going to be beneficial for our business. We're about building long-term relationships with our customers. We have so many customers still now ordering, on regular subscriptions of chocolate and coming back and ordering new herbs all the time, who have been customers of ours since the first couple months that we started our business. And I treasure and cherish those relationships so much, and I love building more of those. I love when I end up, having an email with somebody, you're talking on the phone with somebody, and developing that connection with them. Or just when I see somebody starting to reorder because they've had an experience with that, and we notice that in reviews that people leave on our site as well. It's not just about making something that's delicious, or making something where in theory you can get excited about the kind of ingredients that we use. I want you to have an amazing experience with it. And so we put in the right dose of herbs to make that happen.